Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine, and on this channel I share easy DIYs, home, and encouraging messages through a creative form, and I am so grateful that you're here. If you click on this video, that means that you fall under one or more of these categories. You too live in a small space, we're transitioning into a new season, or you still have, let's say, patio decor or summer pieces around your home, and you're just not sure exactly how to transition them into day-to-day functioning pieces. So there's a high chance that you stuck these things somewhere, or you chose to pretend they don't exist and you keep them up regardless of the season you're in. So my questions to you are, what happens if you don't have the space for all of it? You realize that your home is just doing the most and it needs to be simplified. Or you just wonder, how do I repurpose furniture and decor in my home when the warmer seasons are over? So in this video, I'm gonna share from my own personal experience how I've styled and repurposed many of those seasonal items from the warmer months into our home, but in a way where your furniture and decor will provide a dual purpose in day-to-day use. So you all may remember this video when I started our balcony with 3 different design styles. And one question that I got quite frequently was, what are we gonna do with all this stuff? And I thought it was kind of funny because I'm like, why is everybody asking me the same exact question? And I think they were asking because they knew that my husband and I lived in a small apartment. When you live in a small space is challenging, limited, and you kind of gotta get creative. This video is dedicated to all of y'all who live in small spaces, but it is not limited to those who live in bigger spaces, because there are gonna be many decorative ideas that will give you a new look and a new insight on how to decorate and repurpose a lot of the furniture that you have in your home, and they can work throughout any season. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that in this video.
For a while now, I wanted an accent table next to my chair in my office. And once the warmer season subsided, I knew exactly what accent table I was gonna put in my office. And it's this marble patio table. Y'all, it is so elegant and beautiful. And I really wanted a table just to place my tea on, my books when I'm reading, and to have my diffuser going. So I'm showing you a few ways to style that accent table that was originally meant for your patio, utilized inside of your home. And this is a piece I can see myself using indoor as well, like I already have plans for it. In our living room, we have this blank spot on the side of our couch, and I'm placing this barrel-like accent table on the side. My favorite thing about this accent table is that the top can come off and it's storage inside of it. This is another accent table that was originally on our small balcony. And I can use this accent table again to place drinks on, a book if you're reading, a candle. But I decided to make another home for my plant. My Swiss cheese is getting so long and I've ran out of areas to put her on top of so that she can grow longer. And this barrel accent table, being as tall as it is allowing her to be able to grow as much as she wants. And then I'm adding a basket on the side of it just to show you how I would style it to incorporate it into our living room space. Accent tables are pretty practical to style or to place inside of your home, as they're often used to place things on top of. So if you're needing a little bit of extra room, this is another idea. At our breakfast counter or island, in the space where there should be bar stools, it's been pretty empty for a while. And when I needed to find a place to put our patio chairs, I thought that the barrel wicker chairs would work perfectly in this space. One, they are dining chairs, just meant for the outdoors, but they work just as well as indoors. They're wicker, they're very boho, super comfortable, and they work well in this space. And the design of them just flows with the rest of the decor that we have throughout our home. I'm styling them with the banana leaf back pillows, and if this is just too bold for you, I took the pillows from my couch and replaced them. It really just depends on your preference and style. But at the end of the day, chairs are functional and they serve a purpose, so you can place them anywhere that you may need extra seating.
So this is my large fiddle leaf fig that was once out on our balcony, and I incorporated into our dining room makeover, and I love it in this space. I love that it's in this spot. It takes up the right amount of room. It looks incredibly real, and you can even tell that it was like a patio item or summer item, because greenery lasts all year no matter what season it is. I really wanted to put something on our console to bring in a little bit more color, cleaning up my space to figure out where I'm gonna put all the decorative pieces. I was like, oh, this plant pot can definitely work indoors. Who says plant pots only are for summertime or only for outdoor? It definitely can work for indoors. So we're back in our kitchen again. There are two items in here that I want to share with you. So this is where the repurposing come in. If you're new to my channel, I have done a Declutter My Rental series, and I decluttered parts of our home. One of them that I recently just decluttered and organized is my kitchen. And in that video, in that drawer, you saw that I took some books out, but y'all never knew what I did with the books or where I put them. Well, that kind of goes into this video because I put them out on our counter and I added these beautiful bronze and pink ends. How many people think to use this in the kitchen? I have had these for 2-3 years, a part of the Opal House collection at Target. Originally, I had them in my office displayed. I had them in our bookshelf displayed. I thought, why not incorporate them into our kitchen as bookends for our cookbooks? Something else I did is took this plant pot and put my utensils in it. I've been looking for just a really cool utensil holder, something unique, fun, and I couldn't find it. This plant pot is actually from Effortless Composition. I have more than one of her items in my home and y'all have seen them. She's a small black business. I'll link her page down below. Incredible, incredible home decor brand. And she gifted me this plant pot. I have an even better idea for it. How cute is this? So there you go. If you have a plant pot that is just stored away, pushed away somewhere, take it out and go ahead and put your utensils in there. It makes your kitchen look 10 times better versus like the typical wood or ceramic. And nobody would ever know that this is originally a planter, except you now, of course.
Coasters are great to have as they are very helpful in not leaving watermarks on your trays or like this marble tray table. And these are our 2 palm leaves that I picked up for the farmer's market. To lessen the look and feel of it being too summery, I partner it with a vase full of a eucalyptus. And a eucalyptus is that plant that everybody loved during the colder season. So having that mixed in with these palm-shaped coasters, it just goes really well. And for a more cohesive look for those who just don't like too much color, you can just double it with 2 of the same neutral color coasters if that is your style. But I also like these coasters because they do have an accent of gold in it. So that little shimmery definitely remind me of like the holiday season. But it typically can work throughout any season. It just really depends on if you're open to the idea. In this part of our living room, I thought it would be a great idea to add floor cushions there. So if you guys have seen my video where I created an indoor movie experience as if it was outdoors, there were floor cushions that I had in that video. And they are just so cushiony, they are relaxing. And that is the great benefit of having floor cushions. But if you also live in a small space, they're great for maximizing seating. And you can just have them out to bring in more color into your space. They're great for storing away as well under your bed, in a closet, or you can just have them out for decorative purposes. The best time to shop for a season is at the end of that season, as you can snag the best deals. I mean, price tag marked half off or even more. As I'm recording this video, it's currently September, so we're going into the fall and winter months. And if you live in the Midwest where it snows, you probably don't think to get plant pots that can be used for indoor and outdoor purposes. So I end up snagging 2 plant pots, and they are beautiful. And the bonus is that they don't even look like they're outdoor planters. I'm gonna get this for my birds of paradise. It comes with a plant pot and a basket, but this is for indoor and outdoor use. And I even like it more that you can put it outside because there's a lot of rain in Texas. So we're gonna get this.
So now we're in my dining room / entryway. You guys sometimes inquire about, do I still use my DIYs? Where's the decor that was in this place? And watch my videos, you will see little sneak peeks of my DIYs in our space. One of those items being this table that you all have probably seen in my patio makeover, my very first one, when my husband and I made this table. When we had to style the patio again, I was like, man, I don't want to get rid of it. Where should we put it? Our dining room area, our / entryway area. So something that was originally a patio item, I'm using it indoors as an entryway. Has some cute vase with some eucalyptus and old baby breath. And then we have this beautiful, beautiful basket that actually has our mints in it. It's created from women that are in Uganda. So it's such a beautiful piece, incorporating all of my favorite colors, very bohemian. Having this little table here has been so helpful, super functional. It's just like the right size, the right amount of space that we need, because we didn't need nothing too big in this space. It costs $0.
Here is a creative alternative to using string lights that once was on our patio, brought them indoors, and they're strung in our dining room to give out that cozy and warm feeling. I created an entire video on it, and per the safety guidelines, these are safe to use indoors as well. Our built-in bookshelf have seen its fair share of styling throughout every holiday, and I thought it was important to incorporate this into this video.
The foundation in which I style these shelves, this bookshelf, making it more accessible over time to switch out decor. Some things that I did add to it are personalized items. This picture that says 1/4 3 strands is not easily broken. I just have that layering with the photos that I already have up there. And this vase had greenery in it, but now it has our wedding flowers in it. I've added Wonder Woman. I added 2 new books to the collection, and my dad gifted me one of the best birthday gifts ever. I'm a Michael Jackson fan. I had to put this somewhere. This bookshelf is like the heart of our home. I'm gonna link that video down below on how to style your bookshelf. And I just talk about telling a story. This was more than just pretty and Pinterest worthy, but is incorporating things that you love and have them on display. So that is all for this video. I hope this video was insightful and that it really gave you a new outlook on how to repurpose the furniture and decorative pieces that you already have in your home. And I was intentional about not decorating for a certain season or holiday, because I really wanted to challenge you to take your pieces, be as creative as you can be in incorporating them into your home for everyday usage. If this video was helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. I really enjoyed chatting with you all, so leave me a comment down below. I'll respond to every single one of them. I'm so happy that you're here. And as always, y'all, I will talk to y'all later.